Hi everyone, Henry here with another value packed video. Alright guys, in this System IO tutorial video series, I want to show you the fastest way to create your landing page or your website. And when I say the fastest way, I'm not talking about you literally going to drag and drop and showing you everything you have there that you already see, right? That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about how you can literally create your website or landing page without even needing to brainstorm or thinking about how to go about it, because there is a hidden feature here, System IO, that you can literally use to create a website or a landing page without hassle. And they built everything for you. On your left hand side here, you will see elements, right? Under the settings panel here, you will see element and you will see block. Click on blocks. When you click on blocks, you will see the block pattern will open for you. Now, when you click on block, it will show you all the blocks that are available. Now, what this thing means is that these are chunks. These are various aspects of different elements of a website or a landing page that have been pre-built by System IO for you to choose from. However, you can even build your own and add it to this place. You can see this is my master block. This is another of my block. But everything down here is not mine. System IO only created this stuff. And these are the most important elements of a website. Now, let me tell you something. If you are building an opt-in page, let's say you want to build a very simple landing page and opt-in page that people can give you email and you can send them emails about different things you offer and educate them. And hopefully you have a new offer, you can upsell them on this offer. What you need is an opt-in form. Now, when you click on the opt-in form, you will see different type of opt-in form. Look at them. Literally, you don't even need to do anything. Everything is designed for you, right? From beginning to the end. If I want to create an opt-in form, I don't need to go and start dragging. All I need to do is to just come here. I don't need to go and start creating myself. I just drag and drop. Now, I will have a complete, well-designed opt-in form. All I need to do is just put my own information here and click save. And I have a complete opt-in form that people can start giving me their email and I can start selling them. It's as easy as this. All these, they are already pre-built. You can see, literally, you don't even need to do anything here, right? Look at another one. Just drag and drop. It will come with every information that is required, right? This one is still loading. When it's done loading, you will see the complete details. Your product's unique selling point here. Place where you can put video, benefit of your product, or whatever offer you're trying to give people. And here they put their information, they click, boom, and you receive their email. And you are set to go. Like, this is the easiest way to create a website. You don't need to go and drag this element individually like most people do. Even me too, I used to do that, but I don't do that anymore. I don't need to do it, except I'm creating something super unique that the block is not yet available. But even if you are creating something unique, you can always grab this block and now make some modification, especially if time is something that you really need, right? So that is it for the opt-in. Now, opt-in is not the only thing we need. We need features, right? Features where you can demonstrate and show different elements of your website. So look at this, beautiful. As a matter of fact, you see this element here. That was what I use here in one of my landing page. That's what I'm literally using right now. So I'm not telling you what I'm not doing. So you want this particular element, just drag it. You want that block with everything inside of it, just drag it and paste. All you need to do is to just come over here, edit, change the pictures, change all this information here and put your own information, and you have a complete structure of a website that you can use. See, we have the top here, we have features, and after looking at the features, where they can see, okay, if they like what we are offering, they give us their email. That is how to build website, right? That is literally how we build website. And if you're not okay with this part, you can go look at other parts here, look at other feature blocks for free. You don't need to do all these things yourself, right? Now, the next part you will need in your website, apart from feature, is footer, right? Footer is something you need. At the bottom of your web page, you need to have something under here, right? You can see my own is very simple, but if I'm looking for something more complicated or something like this, I can just take this, right? Bring it down here. Oh, I've not grabbed it. Okay, let me take it again. So I take this here, put it here, and literally I'll have everything here, all the information, my timing, my contact, my hours, and with this map. How cool is this? Right? That is how to build a website. You don't need to go trying to build website and you are thinking about the design. You just need to have a sheet of paper and think about what do you want. You want a menu, you want a feature image, you want a slide, you want feature informations, then you want details, then you want a footer. You just have this structure and you just come and you drag and drop. This is the best beginner friendly way to design a website in 2025. right? What else do we need? Let's say we have something that we need to put themes on it, who we are and all that. You drag it again and you drop. Can you see what I'm talking about? I don't know if you see what I'm talking about. Literally, that is all we need to do. Nothing else, right? You're not okay with it, you use another one. Now we are done with this part. You are selling a product and you want to use a pricing plan. Look at them. All the pricing plans are here, right? Let's even use this one here. Let's go. Let's have a price plan. After the testimonial, you have price plan. Boom. You just come edit and you have a complete website. You can make thousands of dollars creating a website like this and selling them without even knowing what you are doing. You don't need to know what you are doing, right? You just need a structure. And the funny part is that people who want to pay you, these guys, they will give you a sample website that they want you to build for them. And you will see all the structures, everything. Just come here, select all the various structures and give it to them. That's all you need to do. That is all you need to do to create a complete website. It's not difficult. Stop watching 200 hours long video just to create a website. It's not that difficult, right? Look at this is a page header, right? And just copy the page header. It comes with menu already. That is all you need. All right. I hope this helps. I don't want to make this video any longer than this. Already you can see it's so easy to do this stuff. The only thing you should be worrying about how to do is how to create a custom app on your existing website, hosting it for free on System.io, like I'm doing right now. And even to do that, all you need to do is ChatGPT and a free custom System.io rough HTML. Let me show you what I'm talking about before we call it a day in this video. When you go to settings, you click on settings, you scroll down a little bit, you will see raw HTML. You drag this and you drop it and you copy code from ChatGPT, you paste it here, you have an app that can do magic. So if you want to know how I do something like this, I create a custom app. Look at the app here. You can see if you click here by the left hand side, if I click on this left hand side, okay, we can't see it here because this is the back end. This is the app here, right? I'm sure you cannot see it. Even my picture is covering it, so you can't see it. So the app allowed me to analyze pages, like different type of app I've been creating on the System.io platform. And I'm not paying anything for it. I'm not paying to host it separately because it's all under the same plan and it's free. So guys, see you in the next one. Go and watch this video here and see how I create apps on System.io and website, what the playlist, and see you in the next one.